Have you ever noticed how one song can completely change the vibe of your classroom or therapy session? Whether it's calming chaos after recess or helping a student focus on their work, music's more than just entertainment, it's a powerful tool for self regulation. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use music to help students manage their emotions, reduce stress, and boost focus. Whether you're a teacher, parent, OT, school counselor, PT, speech therapist, I think you're going to leave with some practical tips and free resources to make it easier. Hi, I'm Margaret from yourtherapysource.com, where we provide tools and strategies to help kids succeed. Today, we're talking about how music can help students manage emotions, reduce stress, and improve focus. Be sure to check out the Self Regulation Songs playlist I've linked in the description. It's filled with songs to help students stay calm or energized depending upon what they need. I've also included a link to our Self Regulated Kids issue number 1, packed with strategies and activities that you can use right away. So, music is such a powerful way to connect with emotions. Think about how an upbeat song can make you want to dance, or how a slow, soothing melody can help you unwind. This is because music affects us through its tempo, rhythm, and melody, which naturally influence our mood and energy level. This connection makes music a fantastic tool for teaching self regulation. By helping students identify how they're feeling and adjust their emotions through music, we can empower them with lifelong skills. Self regulation is essential for every student. It's how they manage emotions, behaviors, and focus. So, music can be a great tool to help with this, whether it's calming their nervous system during transitions or boosting energy during sluggish moments. It reduces stress, like I said, enhances focus, and just promotes overall well being. And it's fun for kids. So, not all music works the same for every student, though. So, choosing the right songs is key. Observe how your students respond to different types of music. Some may calm down with soft instrumental tunes, and while others might prefer nature sounds or gentle vocals. You can organize playlists by mood or activity to make it easy to use music intentionally throughout the day. So, like I said, to save you time, I've linked a list of self calming songs, and we also have some self regulation movement breaks that I think you'll find really beneficial to help your students find their calm or their focus. So, there's a lot of simple ways to start using music for self regulation. For example, maybe you're going to play calming music during transitions or after recess to help students reset. Or you're going to use upbeat songs for quick movement breaks that release energy, or soft, steady music during independent work to promote focus. One tip: involve your students in choosing some of the songs. When they feel connected to the music, it becomes even more meaningful for them. Music is such a versatile and easy to implement strategy for self regulation. If you don't really understand where I'm coming from, try freeze dance. That's like the perfect example of self regulation. When the music's on, children dance. When it stops, pauses, then children freeze. So that's just a clear cut example of it, but you can also use it for calming and focus, like we mentioned before. So, again, check out in the description. We've got a lot of links that link to music that you can start using right away. It doesn't really get any easier than this. So, just take a moment to try that. They're fantastic resources, and I'm glad you watched. I hopefully you found it helpful. So please like and subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Let's work together to help students thrive through the power of music. See you next time.